When the Bitterroot Barn project started coming together, Penny Murray with Penny Lane Builders was integral in sort of advising us on how to do things that were energy efficient, what products we should use, what manufacturers we should use. So Penny came to us and said, you know, we have a great product that I've used in the past on some of my other projects. And I really think it would kind of fit in with the ethos of what you guys are doing. It's a recycled wood product that looks just like kind of old barnwood, and that was the vibe we were going for. Bitterroot Barn, obviously, but you know, finding something and then shipping it around, you know, multiple states or long distances, especially because when we were trying to build it was during kind of the pandemic. So we wanted somebody local, and Penny said, I think this would be a great fit for you. I went to the website and looked and said, oh yeah, this is wonderful. We loved the feel of something recycled, something that was sort of otherwise would sort of just be lying around and go to no use, and love the process of taking, you know, the Ghostwood and making it into something viable and something beautiful that would stand up on the house for years to come. You know, we plan on having Bitterroot Barn in our family for generations. I have 11-year-old nieces, and they're, you know, really who you build it for, right? So we wanted something that we thought would both last, you know, a lifetime and more, and that would look amazing. And that would be environmentally friendly. We like that you know, Ghostwood was local for that as well. And when we first looked at the product, Bannock Brown was what I had sort of earmarked as a good color for Bitterroot Barn. And I went and saw it on a different project that Penny had done, and you know, I kind of started thinking about it, just the warmth of it for a different purpose. I realized that we have this big dramatic ceiling that you might be able to see a little bit of behind me here. And we wanted something warm and something to sort of warm up the room. And so we actually decided to go with Bannock Brown for the ceiling of the great room in the rafters section of the barn here. And it was amazing. The minute we put it in, not only did it warm up the entire space, but it also made everything feel and sound softer, which was amazing. And so it immediately, I knew it was in the right place. And in the meantime, I sort of had my eye on you know, the Blackfoot color, and it, you know, I was a little hesitant at first. Is it going to be too dramatic to just do the whole house in this darker color? And you know what? I said, let's go for it. And I couldn't be happier with the decision. It really just, it makes a very striking sort of impression on anybody that comes up and comes by. And I've had so many neighbors stop by on their walks through the neighborhood and just compliment us on it. And you know, it just turned out to be a really great decision and a great color. I also decided to go with a vertical, you know, installation of it on the house, and then a horizontal installation on the garage, which is close to the house but slightly separate. And I really think that was a great decision as well. It just, again, creates a little bit of extra interest as you come up and see the home. And there's two ways you can view the house too. You can view it from below as you're driving up Deer Creek, or you can see it from above as you're sort of rounding the hill and coming over the hill and driving in towards the driveway. So from either direction, it makes a really nice first impression.